The biggest songs for summer 2023 was Drift. People local and foreign were doing the dance moves that went viral across the world. The Uptop boss, Teejay, has a chat with me now about some of his accomplishments over the last couple of months. Good to see you, my brother.
Blessings, my G. Respect. No?
5 years in the business.
Yeah,
2023 would have been the biggest year for you.
Yeah, more than 5 years still, but officially the breakout song Uptop Boss was from 2018.
What's the difference this year?
Well, I would say Drift is a potential crossover song right now. It's at a point where we can look for anything at this moment. It has like 100,000 Shazam in America. Worldwide, it has more than 300 million streams on TikTok. So,
million.
Yeah, that's big. That's major for me. I don't know, and for the culture.
No, man, it's major for everybody. It was interesting what you told me before we came on, because normally you make a song and then people dance to the song. But you said Drift came from a dance.
Yeah, Drift actually came from a dance. It was created by Gabby Dan. You know, I have Gabby Dan write a song.
And then you just decide to
we just decide
write some lyrics to make
people enjoy themselves and all of that.
So is you name it or is Gabby Dan name it Drift?
Well, Gabby Dan named the song Drift, you know. So man. Anytime I get the highlight, if you can even highlight who's the creator for the dance and anything, I always try to add Gabby Dan.
Let's go back a bit, Teejay. Why you wanted to be in this business in the first place? When did you see somebody or see something or hear something and say, you know what I want to do?
A long time, you know, I recorded my first song at 2005.
A long time that you?
Yeah, man, long time. The first official song playing in the community, singing for the community and thing was actually 2005.
So when did you think that you had enough quality that a man would appear money for come listen to me and make a nice up a place? When did that happen?
Well, from 2013, I've been doing crazy shows in Montego Bay, St. James region. And then 2016, I got signed to Stars Plus Management, a guy called Fox from Montego Bay, same way, who discovered the talent with me and Ryan Minister. And from then, we've been doing it until come to Kingston, Jamaica, 2018, and decide to just spread the glory.
But you signed now with Warner, right?
Yeah, I'm a Warner music artist.
How does that work? They reach out to you, your management to reach out to different people and say...
Yeah, management been doing some work, and it was just the right song at the right time. So she knows Steve Carlos, and Steve Carlos feel like the sound was different and everything. And they've been searching for something to market from Jamaica just to help back the culture. That has been so impactful on people like out there, you know?
And usually when you sign to a label, a company, they will tell you I need 5 albums in 10 years or 2 albums.
No, not like that.
Anything like that? Huh?
No, not like that. I'm signed to Warner Publishing, which is Warner Chapel, and I also signed to Warner Music. So it's 2 different deals, a publishing deal and it's a record deal.
So you're not expected to come up with no album or nothing?
Yeah, I have an EP coming called I Am Chippy, November. The first EP we work on right now is called I Am Chippy. It's going to release November, and I also have to provide them with a next album. That's all.
Yeah. You're not nervous because Drift was so big? You're not nervous that you'll come up with something to match it or even bigger than that?
No, not right now.
So you can't match it?
Yeah, man, we can't match it, man. The EP is a perfect EP. It actually show growth same way and everything. So, yeah, man.
Gabby Dan is here. Them have 2 ladies who are going to mash up the dance. When I say mash up, I don't mean them going to do it good. I mean them not going to do it well. I know them. Yeah, I know them well and them can dance. But I think Gabby Dan will help them out. What go on now? What's coming up?
Well, it's my birthday. Coming soon. October 3rd is my birthday. So I'm actually celebrating my birthday in Jamaica. I'm doing something called Bali Eye Weekend.
Bali Eye Weekend.
Yeah, in Montego Bay. It's from the 6th to the 8th. In the stadium is Narcos. Then we have a beach party called Aqua Days, which is the 7th.
I don't know.
Yeah, and then the All White, which is my birthday, Drift All White on the Sunday. So I just want everybody to turn out and come enjoy themselves because you're all invited.
All right, well, we have some dance here, but I don't know where them come from. But you go dance with them?
Yeah, man, I go dance with them.
All right, run the song and because see what go on. Abby and Marissa is with Gabby Dan. Me are the lead singer.
performing in the night for my fans at Moon Night Soiree.
Yeah. The brand new song we had them about, they said, Vicky, you can give me 30-second night, you know. But
no, me not give them no night right
you
now.
not give them
no night. Them have to go and wait upon it because, listen, this is dancehall music, and over the years we've been trying to break some barriers same way. So adrift with upon at this moment right now. We have to promote it and we have to make the world love it and accept it.
Well, I go me and listen to you. Go on again.
I bet me turn up in there.
Huh?
Jiff.
Yeah.
Jiff.
Yeah.
I bet me turn up in there. Move, cute, woo, Jiff. I bet me turn up in there. Gala, wine, and a Jiff.
I mean, come in. I mean, I'm going to never done it, you know. Come, sir. Ready? Yeah, man, ready. So. You know? Yeah. We'll go for the right. All right, come.
Acha, oh no, more, keep a, yeah, stop, oh, singer, yeah, picture, at me, rock, at me, liquor, move, youth, keep a, make a dance couple times, girl, take me picture, alright then, smooth.
Like we could have managed to come. TJ and the crew.
Yeah, man, bless you.
Happy Marissa. Thank you.